Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's lecture is going to be started mensuration formula. Today it means in this video I am going to discuss about 2D it means plane figure formula with diagram. First square. What is square? A geometrical closed figure whose all the four sides are equal and each angle is equal to 90 degree. It is known as square. Here ABCD is a square where AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA equal to A. Area formula would be side square, it means A square perimeter equal to 4 into side equal to 4A. Right? Clear? Okay. अब आप लोगों के सामने और एक डायग्राम लेकर आया हूँ. Rectangle. What is rectangle? A geometrical closed figure whose opposite sides are equal and parallel and each angle is equal to 90 degree. It is known as rectangle. In the figure, ABCD is a rectangle where AB equal to CD and also angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D equal to 90 degree. आप लोग देख सकते हो यहाँ पर सब लिखा है. एरिया का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ. A is equal to L into B. Into B. Perimeter 2 into length plus breadth short. P equal to 2 into L plus B. Right? Chalo next. Third, triangle. What is triangle? A geometrical closed figure whose has three sides and three angles is called triangle. Here BC and CA taken as A, B and C respectively. AD is a perpendicular on BC and H is the height, it means altitude, the length of AD. Area equal to half into base into height. In short, A equal to half into B into H. Perimeter, sum of all the three sides of triangle. P is equal to A plus B plus C. Clear? चलो next. Fourth पे आता है equilateral triangle. Here, equilateral triangle is what? If a triangle whose all the three sides are equal in length is called equilateral triangle. Here, AB, BC and C are taken as the same length, that is the A. Right? AD is perpendicular on BC. My dear student, AD का वैल्यू होता है √3a/2. A का जो फॉर्मूला होता है √3/4 इंटू साइड स्क्वायर. पेरीमीटर का फॉर्मूला होता है सम ऑफ ऑल द थ्री साइड्स. क्योंकि सबका लेंथ सेम है तो फिर 3 इंटू ए मल्टीप्लाई करने पे इसका पेरीमीटर आ जाता है. यहाँ पर 5 नंबर पे आता है राइट ट्राइंगल. ABC is a right triangle. Right triangle is what? If a triangle whose one angle is equal to 90 degree, this triangle is called right triangle. Here, AB means base, BC means perpendicular, AC means hypotenuse. It means this is the hypotenuse, right? In this figure, ABC is a right triangle where angle B is equal to 90 degree. Area half into base into perpendicular. Sum of all the three sides. Three sides, the length A is plus B plus P dash. That's why P is equal to A plus B plus P dash. Note, my dear students, since it is a right triangle, so we can write H square equal to P square plus B square. It means hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. This theorem or this formula is called Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. My dear student, 6 parallelogram. Figure A, B, C is a parallelogram. What is parallelogram? A quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal and parallel. This quadrilateral is called parallelogram. Here ABCD is a parallelogram where AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Also AB parallel DC. In short, we can write AB parallel CD and AD parallel BC. And what is the area? A is equal to L into B. It means length into breadth. Perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. Chalo next. Seventh, rhombus. In figure, ABCD is a rhombus. AC and BD are the diagonals. What is rhombus? If a quadrilateral whose all the four sides are equal and each angle is not equal to 90 degree, it is known as rhombus. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. All the length are same, that's why it is denoted as A. Here you can see AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA equal to A. AC and BD, D1, D2, it means diagonals. And what is area? Area equal to half into product of its diagonal. In short, A equal to half into D1, D2. Perimeter is what? The sum of all sides. P equal to A plus A plus A plus A. It means 4A. That is P equal to 4A. This is the formula of perimeter. This is perimeter, right? Eighth number is trapezium. In figure, ABCD is a trapezium where AB and DC are parallel. L1, L2, length of the parallel side. AD is A and BC is B. Or DE means height, it means altitude. Half into sum of parallel side into height. Perimeter equal to sum of all side. It means P equal to L1 plus A plus L2 plus B. That's why this is the formula of perimeter of trapezium. 9 number is circle. In figure, it is a circle where OA is radius, AB is diameter. In figure, a circle with center O, center is O is radius, AB equal to diameter, A equal to, it means area of the circle is pi r square, perimeter equal to 2 pi r. Note, diameter equal to 2 into radius, in short, D equal to 2 into R and R equal to D by 2. Here, in mensuration, the value of pi sometimes used 22 by 7 and sometimes used 3.14. This is the approximate value of pi, but it is an irrational number. And pi radian equal to 180 degree, right? Thank you. Please share this video as much as you can and like, subscribe and drop a comment. Thank you guys.